Hi, this is Ashley. Uh, wh- Today I'll talk about why OTA management is critical in terms of your hotel sales. OTA, as we all know, all your booking.com, Expedia, Make My Trip, Aibibo, these are the channels which help you in doing the sales and marketing of your hotel, right? Every one of us is getting listed first. When we list, we have to ensure the content is being presented really well. The right text has to be there in the portal. So that is a one-time work which has to be done very well, right? So our team specializes in that. The second level is, see, you might be a 10-room property, you might be a 30-room property, you might be a 50-room property, you might be a 100-room property, right? So every category of hotel needs to have a different strategy to sell on OTA, right? So our team specializes in this aspect, right? So again, most of the hotels, what challenge they face is, one, in a small property, you do not have a specialized team who is focused on this particular domain, right? So we are giving you a team which is specialized in this domain, and their entire focus is actually to generate sales in your property. So they monitor your property on a consistent basis based on the market competition. So they are checking regularly what your competitor is selling at what price, what promotions they are participating, right? So they monitor that accordingly. They ensure that our property is also participating in the right promotions. If you're not participating in the promotions actively, the OTA will not give you the visibility, right? So you have to ensure that you're giving ample inventory to the OTA also. If you're not giving inventory to the OTA, then also your ranking impacts. So if the team is not focused on this particular domain, right, you lose a lot of bookings, and it is not just the losing the bookings. If you're not visible on OTA, that means you have less probability of getting even offline queries, right? So people today, even the agents or the corporates, they check the portal, and if they see that, okay, the property is nice, right? So they will move to the next level, which is basically calling up the hotel and trying to crack a deal. So your visibility on OTA is very critical. So our team works on your algorithm and ensures that you get proper visibility, and which will turn the bookings in future. Thank you so much. So I would request, if you want to make your property listed on OTAs and get best bookings out of it, please connect with us. Thank you.